to the freaking sunrise. I could hold it down for you, just because I'm down for you. Push it on the line for you. I see nothing coming in between you and I.
Hi beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So for today's video, I'll be installing this beautiful ginger Yankee twist from COOKOO. This color is so pretty. So that's their 12 inches Yankee twist crochet hair in the color 350. It comes in a pack of 8 and each pack has 30 individual strands. It also comes with a free crochet pin. So I'm going to start off by braiding my natural hair into a cornrow. I'll be doing an all back cornrow, but there is a twist to it. So for each section, I'll be doing 2 or 3 individual braids in the front before braiding it into a cornrow. And there are 2 reasons why I'm doing so. So the first reason is mostly my cornrow braids become loosened in the front when crocheting, and that's because I can't really grip my front hairs when doing the cornrow braids. I try sometimes, but some way somehow it still ends up losing. As you can also see, the color of the Yankee twist is different from my natural hair, and I'm really trying to hide my natural hair as much as possible. So with this technique, there will be no hairs popping out in the front. For my second reason, someone asked me on my previous Yankee twist crochet video why others do their cornrow braids differently, and my answer was basically the person wants to create the illusion of individual braids. But when it comes to Yankee twist, no matter how you do your cornrow braids, you still arrive at the same result. So here I'm done with my first cornrow braid. I'll go ahead and finish for the rest of the hair, and I'll be back to show you how it looks.
She give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. And when she tell me, I love it, your love, baby. If my world was drowning, baby, she would save me. Girl, she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. But your love is crazy, girl, your love is crazy. You amazing, girl, you amazing. Other guys don't only really want to play me. Cause when me there with you, me I realize love don't cost that time. Love is crazy. You amazing, girl, you amazing. Other girls don't only really want to play me. But when me there with you, me I realize love don't cost that time. Love don't cost that time. Love is crazy, love is crazy. You amazing, girl, you amazing. Other girls don't only really want to play me. But when me there with you, me I realize love don't cost that time. She give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. And when she tell me, I love it, your love, baby. If my world was drowning, baby, she would save me. Girl, she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord. But your love is crazy, girl, your love is crazy. You amazing, girl, you amazing. Other guys don't only really want to play me. Cause when me there with you, me I realize.
Now I'm done with the cornrow braids. I think I did 12 in total. That's how it's looking. Now it's time to crochet in the Yankee twist. So this one pack of the Yankee twist, it comes in 30 strands per pack. The curls are so stretchy and bouncy. The twist is handmade, and also it comes pre-looped, so it's so easy to install. Now to crochet in the hair, since it comes pre-looped, you just have to loosen it up like this, and then you move to crochet it in. It's as simple as that. For the individual braids I did in the front, I crocheted twice the Yankee twist per each braid. This helps to conceal the knot and also cover up my dark hair. Also, I'm double knotting. You can single knot, whichever works for you. So I believe at this point we all know how to crochet, so I'll quickly finish up with the rest of the hair, and I'll be back to show you how I cut the bangs.
Impossible. Anytime I'm with you, thought I'll let you know. I know you like the way I eat you like a vegetable. Oh, they gotta cross my leg. Just you, girl, drive me insane. Just call, I go run like Hussein. Oh, cause I fit up fight for you one day, and I fit up life for you one day. Baby, I don't wanna be your friend. Wanna be the type of girl you smiling on a regular. Meet me upon the corner in a 10. Blown a little thing, what girl me know it, I go circle ya. So back up, got someone time for me. Jack up, cause in the area. It's some braid in my nose, but baby, get your smile on my. You want it only. I know you want me, I see you smiling shit. I know 2 and 3, but I'm still wondering when want to stay. Oh, when you give me that, every minute that. I want to be the one.
I'm dashing in all the hair and that's how it's looking now. Let's go ahead and style it. So initially this was the style I was going for. I wanted to keep it this way, but after playing around with the hair I just decided to cut a bang because I felt the side part was a bit too boring. So here I just took a few strands in the front, about 8 pieces, and then went ahead to cut it into a bang. Also, I didn't cut it all at once. I did it gradually so I don't cut it too short. This is the final look. It came out looking so cute and beautiful. I really love this color. It complements my skin so well. So I kept this hair in for 3 weeks and the curls were still intact. The twists didn't unravel or anything. This hair is water friendly. It can be washed and reused. Hopefully I reinstall mine. Also, you can check out my other video where I installed the color 1B. It's on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Also, you can drop all your questions in the comment section and I'll gladly answer them. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, be beautiful.